Bella raga, ciao a tutti del CumendaVeneziano. Ci siamo lasciati con Germania 2006 con l'Italia e adesso riprendiamo europei mondiali fino al 2020. Siamo Euro 2008, Germany 2006 e 2008, Austria e Svizzera. Italia-Olanda, primo match del mondiale. Quindi riparte. Sappiamo che in questa serie finora ha vinto solo un europeo nel 96.
There's the kickoff. I wonder what drama will unfold today.
A proprio con altre squadre, bei risultati.
They'll start with this formation. What do you reckon to that one, Trevor?
Solo England 96. Dobbiamo sfatare sto cazzo d'Italia. Sto diluviando qui a Vienna.
He's brought down, but play continues.
Difficile per i campioni del mondo.
Del Piero.
Che bello capire questa cosa. Attenzione, mamma mia.
No, it's been cut out.
Alex.
Del Piero. Gattuso.
L'Italia. Ok, ancora una buona Italia.
Played through.
Di Natale.
Long range effort.
They're one up. Non ci credo ragazzi. Eurogol.
In the opening minutes of the game.
Eurogol.
He tucked it away superbly into the right hand corner. That's produced the difference between the two teams. Here's Van der Vaart. Here's Robert. They need to equalise, and good service here might set it up. They've done everything possible to keep the ball out of the box. Arrives in the box. To the target in the middle. Well, he may have lost concentration. That was off target. Goal would have given them the confidence boost they so desperately needed, Trevor.
You're right, Peter. They have to keep making the chances up front if they're to get that equaliser.
Andrea. Tony.
Robert. Won the ball well. Poor ball intercepted. Well work to win the ball. 15 minutes gone. Schneider. Ball given away there.
Lucchetta Tony.
Burst forward.
Lucchetta. Cosa fa Lucchetta, signori?
Accurate service could give them another goal.
Good running on the ball. Lucchetta come Maradona. Attenzione. Zampo.
Clearance picked up. They have a shot. Cross and no one there at the end of it. There's a whistle and the flag is up. He was just caught offside there. Here's Del Piero. Dealt with that threat well. The danger is snuffed out. Ball one, good defending there. There's not a lot of support. Win possession here. And he gets a free kick in a very dangerous area. He lifts it into the box. It looks like he'll go for a cross. Nice footwork. There's no stopping him.
Alex.
Not one there. Here's Van Bronckhorst. Schneider. Great ball through. Only just missed by a lick of plate.
Errore di Luca che ha il capello diverso dal capello quello di mezzo che è l'uomo impossibile. Un Natale che ha fatto un gol di...
Here's Pirlo. 30 minutes into the first half. Stop the attack well. And Robin. Tries his luck.
Another shot blocked by the keeper.
They must be wondering what they have to do to beat this goalkeeper today. It's created a counter raid for them. They're in possession, down the left wing. And he crosses. Off target. Wide of the left post. So an equaliser there would have changed the game, Trevor.
Absolutely, pulling it level is what they want. They just need that little bit of quality in front of goal to do it now.
Bravo Alex,
Del Piero. And the defence really ducked the keeper out of that one. Throw in. They're in possession down the right flank. Punched away. Switch sides, and they're off down the left. Sneaks into the box. Good defender. Grosso.
The right back's got to stay alert.
He cleared. Good footwork creates the counter-attack. They're moving well down the right-hand side. Takes the ball along the left wing. The referee blows his whistle and it's the end of the first half here. Let's see if the manager's advice can affect the players in any way. Away we go. Will there be drama today? See if the second half is as tight as the first. Still on the ball here. Receives it in space. Cleverly chipped through the defence. Here's Van der Vaart. Fine through ball down the middle. Got the shot in. I think the goalkeeper knew it was off target.
I think maybe they caught the defence on the hop there, but there really was some sloppy man marking.
Stopped him well there. Schneider. Robin.
Oh, look at that. It's a great run.
And Van der Vaart. Schneider. Now he's got a chance to whip it across from the right. He uses his head. Well, having made the chance, the finishing just wasn't good enough there. Lazzali.
Remarkable work.
Too long. It's out of play, and that's a goal kick. Chiellini. No way through. Kept it well, still on the attack. Some good running off the ball, putting the pressure on. Schneider. Oh, really slack defending. Ball stolen from him. 15 minutes into the second half. Here's Boularus. Schneider. Here's Nightingale. Side flag raised Schneider. Worked really hard to get the ball back then. He's in the right place to intercept that one. They're in a good position down the right. They're pinned back in their own half here. The throw in a dangerous area again. Can he pick out a teammate? And he shoots from there. Corner. Who's waiting in the middle? They want another, so they keep the pressure on. It's into the face of goal. Surely this time. That's a finish. Breaking through. All one here. Throwing. Here's Boularus. Van der Vaart. Here's Robben. Brings the ball under control. And Van der Vaart. They're moving well down the left-hand side.
No.
Takes the shot. Oh, what a goal! Stop the attack well. Here's Van der Vaart. Down the left-hand channel. Superb combination here. Tied up by the keeper. Gathers the clearance, looks for a gap.
And the keeper has it under control.
Here's Van der Vaart. They've opened up the defence with a great through ball. With his head! Just over the bar. Bazzali. Here's a chance! That's a disappointing effort on goal.
Well, it begs the question, should he have passed the ball?
Schneider. Keeps his eye on the ball to win the header. Down the left flank. He wants a chance for a good delivery. Clears it away with his head. Ref blows his whistle and the match is all over. The defenders need to deal with this. Dicks it through. He's in danger. Camoranesi.
Non ci voglio più. Stavolta
Ball's over the line, it's a corner.
Perché europeo Pirlo.
Drives it to the middle.
Del Piero. Tutta la squadra
Tulala. Anelka. No way through.
Tony. Per Del
Big
Piero.
ball through the middle.
That's a keeper's ball there.
Tarasenko.
Vieira. Henry. Wonderful defending there.
Palla grandissima.
Here's Del Piero.
Tony.
Oh, the defender is there. Anelka. And the ball now. They have a go from here. Henry. Stay on the ball there. Good footwork creates the counter attack. Henry! Into the gloves of the keeper. Here's Grosso. 15 minutes to go until the half-time whistle. Henry. Defensive lapse there. Ball stolen. Del Piero. What can he do from here?
Grande Alex. Non puoi gol di Natale.
Nasri.
Stiamo giocando meglio noi comunque.
Ball stolen away. Chance here. Remarkable overlap from the defender. Henry. Stopped him illegally, says the ref. Anelka.
Look at that. It's the perfect one, too.
He tries another one. It's into the middle. There's no stopping him.
Well, they're starting to click, Peter.
The referee blows for the end of the first half. The players head off into the dressing rooms for their half-time team talks. They started off rather well.
Manca il gol però.
The second half gets underway. Let's hope for another 45 minutes of great football here. We never know quite what is going to happen in this game. Wins possession to stop the attack. Here's Vieira. Samuel. Prints it down the middle.
Come se lo dobbiamo perdere,
Henry! Surely this time.
Mamma mia, palla
I think he knew what he was doing. He just couldn't pull it off.
Chiellini. Well read. Henry. Put an end to the attack. This is a good overlap. 15 minutes of the second half gone.
Luca, bravo Alex. Vai
Brings a
Alex.
through ball down
Vai,
the
Alex.
middle.
Alex.
Keeper comes and collects it.
Pallone per cioccolato. Vai Giorgione.
Camoranesi. There's not a lot of support. Anelka.
Zan per
Dealt with
blocco.
that threat well.
No, la gara di là.
Poorly attempted pass.
Qualche cambio, va. Su Tony. Mettiamo il cassa. Mettiamo Ambrosi, proprio Ambropini. Ambropini per Gattuso. Al posto di Camoranesi per Rotta. Posso finire i cambi.
Well, the fans were expecting him to get that in.
here. Cassano.
Oh, he got under that one. Never threatened the goal.
All one. Good defending there. Dealt with that threat. Anelka.
It looks easy, but that was a quality piece of skill. They push it forward nicely here.
Will he test the keeper?
Non ci credo, dove c'è Alex? Alex, tira!
The rebound.
Non ci credo che miracolo ha fatto. Che miracolo ha fatto? Il giocatore si è visto pochissimo.
Well, really hard to get the ball back.
Non ci credo così, cazzo.
The clock's ticking, a good ball in, might win it for them. In an early cross. A huge roar from the crowd as the referee blows the final whistle. It ends in a draw here.
Vediamo le classifiche. Quattro basta un punto con la Romania, vicino con la Romania. Molto possibile. Giochiamo contro ancora
They'll start with this formation, make it the tactic. Back to the keeper. And Mutu. Possession maintained, chance here. We're waiting for the first goal, and a good cross here could set one up. The keeper claims the ball.
It was a good cross, but he couldn't outsmart the keeper.
Here's Pirlo. Nicola. And Kivu. He's got a hat-trick. An inspiring contribution to the team.
A great counter-attacking opportunity here.
And he's having a go. It sails wide of the left. It was not a bad effort though.
Cagatissima di vita.
It was a good run, but he didn't
Cagatissima di vita. Basta un punto.
15 minutes gone in the first.
Tony.
Nicola. Good work to keep the ball. In trouble here, ball stolen and a real chance.
Bravo Andrea. Alex.
Del Piero.
Non avevo capito quella giocata.
Contra. Kivu.
E chi non sa.
Contra. It's knocked back to the keeper. He could swing it in here. Goes the flag. He was just caught on the wrong side there of the opposition back line. Knocks it through.
Alex.
Dealt with the threat expertly. Won the ball well. 5-all, and the intensity in the stadium is incredible. Mutu. Don't give it away there. Filko. He rose above everyone else to get that. No goals here, and in truth, it's looking set to stay that way with half-time fast approaching. Down the right flank.
Immagina cosa ha fatto dopo l'Eurogol con anche bella azione Dina. Mamma mia, cosa
And the keeper will be breathing a huge sigh of relief. Lucky there were no strikers around to pick it up. Into the box. Wonderful defending there.
Wonderful Dina.
The whistle goes for half-time, and the players head off to the dressing rooms, with the managers, no doubt, have...
Dopo della fase eliminazione diretta, ovviamente.
They kick off. Let's see how the players on both sides respond to their half-time team talks. No sign of any substitutions yet. Nothing separates them here, but how will it end? Filko. Play surges forward.
Dai Lucchetto.
Now he's got a chance to whip it across from the right. Nicola. He's still on the run. Great opportunity to swing it over from the left there. And he hits it.
Non ci credo. Cosa ha fatto la difesa? Cosa ha fatto Buffon? No,
Sturdy defense here.
non posso perdere.
The defense has done well so far. Solid defense in the box. Nicola.
No.
Ball is over the line. It's a goal kick.
Tutto malissimo secondo tempo, eh?
Filco.
La Romania che mette bisogno di 3 punti per avere una chance.
That tackle there, giving away a free kick in a dangerous area.
Con qualche cambio. Mettiamo il cassa. Provo Quagliarella, il pazzo. Quello del Piero. Mettiamo un po' di riposo a Pirlo. Mettiamo Danielone De Rossi. Chi non sa
Here's the cross. Hang on to the ball. Promising position here. Burst forward. Put an end to the attack. Takes the ball along the left wing. Terrible tackle. Gave away a free kick. And Cassano.
Camo per cassa.
Needs a solid goal.
Camo per cassa.
And I think the keeper was aware it was going over.
It's very difficult to keep absolute concentration in situations like that.
Mutu.
Keeper has been kept busy today. They've had a few decent attempts, but the keeper's been too good today.
Camoranesi. Cassano. And Gattuso. Stop the attack well. Mutu. Clearance seized on, looks for a gap. Will there be a goal here? Fans will be disappointed there.
But it begs the question, should he have passed the ball?
Bazzali. Coaches. Additional minutes being shown on the ball.
Lo prendiamolo così per la qualificazione della
Però through ball down the middle.
Cassa, ti prego Cassa. Ti prego Cassa. Ti prego
Finds himself in the box. What about this?
Non ci credo.
There's the final whistle. Would only manage a draw here, but they won't mind that. This result is enough for them to go on to the next.
Vediamo cosa siamo, vediamo tutto. Passa Portogallo e c'è palla. Austria&Svizzera fuori le Deutschland. Italia e Spagna. Vediamo cosa siamo. Partita che possiamo assolutamente Portogallo grazie 3-7 che vince 3-3 la Portogallo controlla per la terza parte della nostra e Spagna Francia raga questo è il gol iniziale vediamo il gol di la barra 3 gol assist a 2 torniamo raga alla prossima raga